How to fix Turtle Beach Stealth 600 mic not working, or if it's showing any error to you step by step in this video. I'm going to show you how you can solve it. Check the mic is not muted. If your mic is muted, simply unmute it. Step 2 is restart your console or PC where you are using your Stealth 600. Sometimes a quick reboot resolve glitches. For Xbox, Stealth 600 Generation 1 or 2 will be Xbox version. Now power cycle the headset, hold the power button for about 20 seconds until the heads shut off, turn it back and try again. Update firmware via Turtle Beach Audio Hub, download Turtle Beach Audio Hub, connect the headset and the transmitter to your PC via USB. Now follow the prompts to update the firmware. Step 5 is repair the headset with Xbox. Press the pairing button on the headset until the LED blink fast. Press the pairing button Xbox console. Wait for them to connect. Now Xbox setting, go to setting, devices and accessories, your controller, volume, and then make sure headset mic is on. Ensure mic monitoring is not turned on all way down. Step 7 is check audio setting, go to setting, sound, microphone and input device. Make sure the Stealth 600 is selected. Check microphone level and ensure it's not too low. Step 8 is update firmware. Use Turtle Beach Audio Hub as above. Now replug wireless transmitter. Unplug the USB dongle, then plug in back. Turn off the headset, then power it on. For PC users, set as default recording device. Right-click the speaker icon in the system tray. Sounds, under the recording tab, find Turtle Beach Stealth 600. Right-click and set as default device. This is how you can exactly do it. Thank you so much for watching this video.